Oppo Reno 4F with dual-hole punch display, 108-megapixel camera to launch on October 12. Oppo Reno 4F will be launched on October 12 in Indonesia. The company has been teasing the smartphone on its social media platforms. It will be available on e-commerce platform Shopee Mall in two color options in the country. According to a teaser poster, the phone will carry a 108-megapixel camera and ultra-night selfie mode, among other features. Oppo Indonesia's official website shows the phone with a quad rear camera setup and a display with dual-hole punch cutout. The handset will be in addition to the company's Oppo Reno 4 series of smartphones. Oppo has been teasing the Oppo Reno 4F on its various social media platforms, including Twitter. A teaser poster shared by the company confirmed that the upcoming smartphone will be launched on October 12. The smartphone is also listed on e-commerce platform Shopee Mall. While the listing reveals that the phone will be available in matte black and matte or white color options, no pricing details were mentioned. The smartphone has been listed with a single RAM plus storage configuration, 8GB plus 128GB. A teaser poster has also been shared by tipster Sudanshu. The poster shows the smartphone having 6 AI cameras, quad rear cameras and 2 front snappers, with an ultra-clear 108-megapixel main camera. The poster also shows the Oppo Reno 4F with a pill-shaped hole punch cutout at the top left corner for 2 selfie cameras. The quad rear camera setup is seen inside a square-shaped module on the back. There is no visible fingerprint sensor. Apart from that, the poster tips that the handset will feature a Super AMOLED display, a 4000 mAh battery with support for 18 watts fast charging, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of storage. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.